So what if your front indicator light in the front bumper on the NG95 just stops to work? It's kind of obvious what you have to do, and I'm going to show you how and what bulb type to use in just a few seconds. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Marcus and this is SAAB Cars, and this video is a quick tip video. So the indicator light in the front bumper on the NG95, I'm going to show you what to use for indicator light, the type of bulb, and I'm going to show you how to remove these modules from the bumper. So the lamp is a H21 watts and it's a BAY9S type. Because I have a indicator light that don't have the orange lens, I need to have orange lamps. If you have the orange lens, which most of you do, then you probably won't need the amber or the orange type. So just a regular BAY9S lamp or bulb. So we're going to do this, and we need, of course, the bulbs and a screwdriver. So let's go. So first you need to remove the dummy module, and then you can remove the indicator light module. And this is being held by a screw in this hole here. The screw, it's a bit difficult to find, but you should be able to locate it. And there we have the screw. So let's just unscrew it. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And here we have the so-called dummy piece. The screw is still in the module, so it's being held here, which is good because then you won't lose it. This is actually a bit rusty. I feel a bit ashamed because I have new ones on the shelf, but we're going to put the dummy module back with the old screw for now. So once this is off, there is a screw here, just to the left. Start removing that. And then the indicator module is out. And there goes the screw as well. So here's the lamp, and as you can see, it looks kind of weird, like a short circuit or something. So it definitely needs a new indicator light. So let's get this out. It's very easy, and let's put in the new one. So you just push it in and twist. Should be easy, but it's a bit tricky perhaps. There we have it. So now it's in kind of locked position. So I'm going to trust that this is going to work, so I'm just going to put the module back with its new bulb. And you just twist the connector here back into place, like this. And then we put the screw back. And then we put the so-called dummy module back. And this is a bit fiddly sometimes because it has the screw still attached to it. So you just need to make sure that it's being in right place. So now you know how easy this is, and while you're at it, why not replace the other one as well? Because the amber light, it fades during the years. Mostly because I don't have the orange lens. The orange lens don't fade, so you have an advantage there if you kept your orange lens. So, as I said, it's dead easy. I know it's in the manual, of course, but sometimes you guys, you don't read the manual, and that's why we have YouTube. I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and drive safe.